Nitya Siddha, never conditioned, never bewildered, doesn't have to get anything or attain anything. But he's just showing the example because Gauranga also gave his blessings. He says, I bless this, you Jiva Goswami, that you attain Bhava. So that's, Gauranga is enacting that pastime to show that even Gauranga, like Lord Krishna, is also bestowing Bhava Bhakti in these three different ways of Vachika, Darshandan, and Harda. You do sadhana bhakti in such a way that you please Guru and Krishna. And when Guru and Krishna are pleased, yasya prasada bhagavat prasado yasya prasad nagati gatopi. Because if you do aparad, if you're doing your bhakti is full of anarthas and aparads, and you can do your sadhana for thousands and thousands and thousands of lifetimes and never attain bhava. So your sadhana bhakti has to be performed in such a way that is pleasing. That is the meaning. First of all, you have to understand what is the meaning of bhakti. Is to act in such a way that Guru and Krishna are pleased and satisfied with my behavior and actions. I give pleasure. Bhakti means the giving of pleasure and satisfying the senses of Guru and Krishna. So when bhakti is performed in that way, then we become suitable candidates to receive Bhava Bhakti, because Bhava Bhakti is received by mercy. You can't, by your own endeavor, I'm going to chat my way to Bhava, it's not like that. You can endeavor, but your endeavor is only one of the fingers of closing the rope. The second finger is the Kripa, the descending Kripa from the Vaishnavas, from the Guru Vaishnavas and Krishna and his eternal associates. So bhakti has to be performed in such a way that our heart becomes pure and we become attached to Krishna. Our bhakti should come through Vaidhi sadhana and Raganuga. Raganuga means we become attached to Krishna. We become attached to Krishna's name and form and qualities and entourage and pastimes. And that attachment deepens and develops. And that attachment attracts Krishna. It attracts the heart of Krishna. And attracts the heart of Krishna's eternal associates. And then when they're pleased and attracted because of our attachment, our growing attachment, because of our pure execution of the limbs of bhakti and bhajan, then they will shine from their hearts this Swarup Shakti. The Swarup Shakti of Krishna will shine and reflect from their hearts into our hearts. And then we'll attain this Bhava Bhakti. Then very quickly we'll attain Prema Bhakti.